Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let's get straight to the video. First, you want to boil the macaroni, add little salt and oil. Cover and allow to cook. Cook till tender, don't let it overcook. When it's done, drain in the strainer and set it aside. Just follow this recipe and you'll get a good result. Next, I'll introduce to you the ingredients I'll be needing for this recipe. So here I have carrots, fresh parsley, green pepper, tomatoes, spring onions, all chopped. Then I also have ginger, garlic, and onions. Here I have sweet chili sauce. I'll also be using dark soy sauce. You can use light soy sauce if that's what you have. This is dry chili flakes. There's a recipe of this on my short video. And then there's curry masala. You can choose to use ordinary curry if that's what you have. I have chicken seasoning cubes, adobo seasoning, and of course pinch of salt to taste. Now heat some oil in the pan. I use vegetable oil. Saute some onions, ginger, and garlic. You stir till it's golden brown. Once you're done with that, you go in with the green pepper, tomatoes, and stir. Stir for some seconds. Don't let it be too soft. Then you go in with the carrots. You also stir and it's stir fry. So we stir and fry till it's ready. Now I'm going to go in with chili pepper. If you don't like spicy food, you don't have to put too much, just a little would do, because I'm still going to add sweet chili sauce. So you have to be careful when you're adding your dry chili flakes. Now you go in with the seasoning, the chicken seasoning I showed you earlier, seasoning cubes. You add some. You can add a pinch of salt. You've already added salt when boiling the pasta. This is adobo seasoning. It's kind of tastes salty a little bit, so be careful when you're adding salt. You might not want to add salt at all. Now you go in with the boiled pasta that we set aside earlier. My friends, you stir everything together so the vegetables can marinate well into the pasta. I promise you, kids love this so much, they'll ask for more. Now is the time to go in with the curry masala. You can use curry if you have that, like I said earlier. This is the sweet chili sauce. I'll go in with just a little. Please be careful when you're adding this because it is also spicy. And don't forget, you've already added dry chili flakes earlier. This is dark soy sauce. I added small. You can also use light soy sauce, or you may skip this if you don't have it, but try to use it. Now stir everything together and allow to simmer for some few seconds or minutes. Now I'm going in with the fresh parsley and spring onions. I had to go in last with this so it won't get too soft, it's veggies. Cover and let it simmer for about a minute, and then your viral masala macaroni is ready. This tastes so good. You can pair with any protein of choice: chicken, beef, fish, eggs, anything. I promise you kids love it. And this can also be served as lunch for school. Here is an inspiration. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching my videos. See you next time. Bye.